Morning students. Today we will continue our lesson The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. Yesterday in the opening part of the story we have seen that the rumor spread in People Nagar market, that the owner of People Nagar bank, that Seth Govind Ram, could not give even the salary of the sweeper. Because in the previous part we have discussed about the conversation between Nathu and Sitaram, then Sitaram and Mrs. Srivastav. And when Mrs. Srivastav went to the market for casual usual shopping, she met her friend Mrs. Bhushan. She saw her friend Mrs. Bhushan at the another end of this market. So Mrs. Srivastav went to her. They discussed with the normal topic, and then Mrs. Srivastav told her that, do you know People Nagar bank has been on the verge of collapse. That time Mrs. Bhushan surprised, and Mrs. Srivastav said that they stopped paying even their employees. Then when Mrs. Bhushan went to her husband, who was sitting in front of barber shop, in front of the photography shop, Kamal Kishore's photography shop. So when Mrs. Bhushan went to her husband, she gumbledly said to her husband, "Are you here? I am searching from you from the last 1 hour." Then she asked Kamal Kishore, Do you hear that the People Nagar bank had been going to collapse? That time Kamal Kishore said, "No, I haven't my account in this bank, but my neighbors have." And that's why Kamal Kishore went to the next shop, that is barber shop, Deepchand barber shop. He came to Deepchand and said, "Deepchand, did you hear that the People Nagar bank had been going to collapse?" That time Deepchand was cutting the hair of his customer. And after hearing the news, he was so startled, so shocked, that he cut the ear of the customer. He cut the ear of the customer because he shocked, and so his hand shake. With his hand shake, he cut the ear of the customer, and then he went directly, just like the beeline. He went directly to his house to collect or to pick the checkbook, so that he would pick all the money, took out all the money from this bank. Meanwhile, the customer, who was elderly gentleman, having the pain and grief, having the pain and distress, pain for the cutting and distress for the news that is the People Nagar bank is going to collapse. Then he went across the road for calling for the telephone booth. And when he called Seth Govind Ram, the answer from the another side, he asked, "Where is Govind Ram?" The reply is, "He is not at the People Nagar." Where is he? The reply is, "He is holidaying in the Kashmir." And then the elderly gentleman returned to the shop, barber shop, and said the bird had flown. So he told Mr. and Mrs. Bhushan as well as the barber, Deepchand barber, that the bird has flown. It means the news is correct, the news is fact, the news is truth. And he said, "Oh, now I understood." So he went to the state. He is out of the state. He went the place of People Nagar. The same news spread throughout the world, throughout the market of People Nagar, just like the forest fire. We know that if there is the forest fire which could not be controlled, similarly, the news spread so fastly, just like the forest fire, no one can control it. This news spread throughout this market, on which there was the pavement, and on that pavement the beggar was sitting for a elm from last many years. People in that market knew that someone took out the man, the beggar, whose name was Ganpat, someone took out Ganpat with his cart and they never known that he is walking. But after hearing the news of his collapse of People Nagar Bank, what happened? Ganpat stood up and ran to his house. And that time the people understood that the beggar Ganpat had the thousands of rupees in that bank. Thousands of rupees in that bank. All the people were surprised that Ganpat is walking. Not only walking, but it is running. So this is the part of the story. We know that the simple news from the beginning of the story that Seth Govindram hadn't pay the sweeper boy's salary up to the 20th of this month. But the news spread through the market having some extra information, and up to the part of the story, the news spread that the People Nagar Bank is about to collapse because the owner hadn't enough money to pay the employee, and that's why he stopped paying the employees. This is the part of this story. Is it? So we will stop here, and the remaining part of the story we will read and understand tomorrow.